Hello, welcome to another review. This is Katrina from Patio Garden Ponds. Do you currently live in Pennsylvania and currently looking for bird CD so that you can listen to different bird songs, bird sounds, or bird audio? If you're a native of Pennsylvania and want an audio CD about birds, then the Birds Pennsylvania Audio CD will be the perfect product for you. This audio CD is prepared by Stan Titiala and is a great companion to the Birds of Pennsylvania Field Guide. Enhance your knowledge about the birds which are found in Pennsylvania. Learn to identify the birds in your state by sound. This item is ideal for bird lovers, kids, adults, or the library. This item is a set of two audio CDs that offer the highest quality digital recordings featuring approximately 120 minutes of bird calls. Now you can have the Birds Pennsylvania audio CD today at a very affordable price and see to it that you can broaden your knowledge about birds in Pennsylvania. Until next time, this is Katina from Patio Garden Ponds.